If you're looking forward to creating a website for a consultation business or services, so either a business consultation, corporate finance, agency, maybe marketing consultancy, travel consultancy, IT consultancy, anything of this nature or in any of these niches, I'll be sharing with you some of the best themes that you can use to achieve a professional looking WordPress website. Okay, so do make sure you watch the video to the end, because all the things I'm going to be sharing with you will make your website creation process seamless and very easy, because all this thing comes with awesome demos for different industries, even beyond the ones that I mentioned earlier. And all the themes I'm going to be recommending in this video, I'll leave a link to them in the description of this video so that you can check them out. All right. So before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe. It's actually free to subscribe. So go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So now let's head over to the video and check out some of the best consultation WordPress theme for you. All right, so number one on our list is called consulting. So you can see consulting, business, finance, WordPress theme. So for this particular theme, like you can see there, it comes with 50 plus demo. So basically what that demo actually means is that these are pre-built templates that you can just go ahead and import into your WordPress website. And what you just need to do after importing is probably to change the information, maybe your contact, your logo, and all the content around. All right. So like I mentioned earlier, the links to all the themes I'll be mentioning, you'll find them in the description of this video. So if you come on any of the page, so once you're on any of the themes that you want to choose from the list of themes I'll be sharing with you, you see the option to add to cart. So once you click add to cart, you'll be asked to sign up. Then you enter your billing details where you're going to purchase the theme. So once after downloading, you'll be able to download the theme files, which you're going to upload to your WordPress site, and then you can go ahead and continue with your WordPress creation. All right. So now let's explore consulting. So like I said earlier, this comes with 50 demo sites. So if you scroll down, you're going to see more features about the theme. But let's check out the live preview. So you can see it here, best business WordPress theme. So what I want to show you is some of the demos. So you can see here, we have demo for business, for corporate finance, agency, human resource, and consultancy. So you can see that it goes beyond consultation. So if you are looking forward to create a website for a business, for a finance, for an agency, here are some templates that you can actually choose from. So if you look at this template, now if you want to open any of them to see what it actually looks like, you can just click on them and then you're going to see all the features and everything. But like you can see here, this is a demo that works with a whole lot of business, okay? Even beyond consultation, all right? So you can see it here. So if you like any of the demos, you can just go ahead and import it after acquiring this particular thing. In addition to the demos, you can see it works with, this particular thing works with Elementor Page Builder and WP Bakery. So whichever page builder that you are familiar with or you want to use, then either WP Bakery or Elementor, you can achieve that with this theme. You can see 100 plus inner pages. So talking about maybe the contact us, the about us, portfolio, blogs, you can see there are different over 100 templates that you can actually choose from to give you that professional design. Okay. Also, unlimited header and header builder. So there are different ways you can customize your header. Maybe you want your logo by the left, you want it center top, you want it as a sidebar, okay? Maybe you want a transparent background header or any other ones. You can see it right here. All right. So these are the features for this. You can scroll down to see more of them. So if you want to purchase it, once you're on the page, you can just come over here to add it to cart. So this is the first one that I'm recommending. It is called consulting. All right. So next on our list is called Binox. So this is a consultation WordPress theme. So this also comes with 12 demos, 100 plus template 1000 plus template library. So let's explore these themes to see some of the features again. So let's start with looking at, okay, you can see the features here, customizable with Elementor. So I'm just looking at it randomly, dark and light version, multi-language support, low-tier animations and the like. So in terms of the demo, so these are the demos available. So consultant agency for IT, for HR. Okay, if you're looking for a demo for HR, maybe you want to create a website for an HR, corporate consultancy for business, financial advisor, there's a demo for that. All right, so you can choose any of these theme I'm recommending to you, maybe based on the price, based on the type of demo that is available, or maybe based on the design. Maybe you see a particular demo that you really like, Okay, so those are the things that you can actually use to decide. And also you can also decide to choose any of the theme based on the page builder. For example, this works with Elementor page builder. Okay, they didn't mention about WP Bakery. Okay, so you might also want to consider it based on your page builder that you're familiar with. All right, so you need to be sure of that also, so that you won't purchase a theme with a page builder that you're not okay with. All right, but nevertheless, all of these things I'm recommending, I've taken out time to look at them out of hundreds of other themes. Okay, so this is the second one. Like I said, it's called Binox. You can also check this out. So the third on our list is called Solvio. So this is another business consulting WordPress theme. So from the image here, you can see it works with Elementor page builder, WooCommerce, and every other things which we are going to look at now. So 10 plus home pages. So these are the home page here, different demo that you can actually work with or import into your site. It works with RTL, that's right to left, or maybe languages that are written from right to left, like Arabic, Hebrew, and the likes. Okay, so 25 inner pages, works with Elementor, powerful features, lifetime updates, font management, SEO friendly, fast performance. So if you want to have it WooCommerce, you can also do that. You can also have fully RTL supported and WPML. You can see the reviews here. Works with contact from 7 and the likes. So a whole lot. These are the features for this. It's called Savior, and this cost $49. All right, $49 for this particular thing. All right, so next, okay, so this is the third one. The fourth thing we are going to be looking at is called Advantage. Okay, not Advantage, Advantage. Okay, so for this particular theme, so this particular one comes with 8 demos, fully responsive theme. I think the cost is $69. Okay, so it has an AI content generator. Okay, and then these are the demos. So you can take a look at the demos. This is business demo, marketing, finance, human resource. So once you import any of this demo, what you just need is to probably change your logo, change the text, okay, to make sure it fits your, but the layout, you can still maintain some of the layouts, the sections, and the likes, okay. And if there's any particular page or section that you don't like in the demo, you can just delete them, okay. All right, so these are some of the features: UI and design consistency, imagery is the king, great organic and grid design. All right, so these are some plugins that it actually supports. All right, and this is one of the selling points here, AI content generator. Okay, so these are some of the things you are going to be getting alongside this particular theme for $69. All right, so again, let's move to the next one. The next one is called Caution Business Consulting WordPress theme. Now this comes with 23 demos, and then it's another one that works with Elementor page builder. So let's look at the live preview for this particular theme. So starting out, let's check out the demos. So you can see 23 demos, both the dark and light, and also one page. So if you want to look at, if you need a one-page website, you can check out the demo for that. So this is for corporate. So if you like this design, you can just consider picking up this theme. This is for financial advisor, restaurant theme. Okay, so you can see restaurant theme, digital solution. So this is good for a digital agency or digital consultancy, transport and logistics. If you're in the transport business, okay, this is a theme. This is a demo for you. You can see personal portfolio, business consultation, corporate business. So you can see that all of this theme, it works with even businesses or that are beyond consultation. Okay, so you can see transport, logistic, personal portfolio. So there is a demo for you. Fully responsive, just like all the things I'm going to be recommending are fully responsive. That means they work well on both mobile, desktop, or tablets. All right. Work with Elementor page builder. So these are some of the features. Clean code, Google Map, video pop-up, well documented, browser compatibility. So it works well on almost all browser. All right. And then free lifetime updates. All right. So if this also interests you, you can see there's an option to purchase. So you can just come over here, add it to cart, and then you'll be able to purchase the theme. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is going to be one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember you're also going to get 73% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that okay, you want to keep the website. And like since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59 ETH, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. Welcome back. So the next one is Advice0. So now this is one of my favorite theme, okay? So if you scroll down to this page now, you see that you are getting $450 worth of premium images stocks included. Now look at this. It says all images shown on the demo website comes with the demo content and can be used in the next project, in your next project, without the need to buy additional license. All right. So what this is saying is, now let's look at the live demo for this particular theme. Is that once you look at, oh, I mistakenly closed that. So once you are on the demo, if you look at some of the demos for this particular theme, it comes with images. Okay, so it's telling us that all the images you find on the demo site, you can go ahead and use them without having any fear for copyright issues. Okay, so there are some demo sites, once you import them and the images, you might not be able to use them. All right, but with this particular theme, the images on their demo sites, they are giving you access that you can go ahead and make use of them. All right, so these are the demos that are available when you purchase this particular theme. You can also use it to create an e-commerce platform for you to sell. Okay, and you can have the website with an e-commerce section just somewhere in between the websites. All right, so that is it on Advice0. If you also like this theme, do make sure you check it out. All right, so next is called Consultix. Consultix. So this particular theme works with both Elementor and WP Bakery. All right. Seems all the old themes I'm going to recommend actually works with Elementor Page Builder. Just few of them specifically mention WP Bakery, and this is one of them mentioning WP Bakery. For $69, you can go ahead and purchase this theme. It comes highly recommendable. So let's check out the live preview. All right, so let's go ahead and just check the demo because that's the interesting part. So if you are picking out the demo, you have to check out the page builder. So they specify it below. For this now, it works with both Elementor and WP Bakery. For this now, it works with just Elementor. This is just for WP Bakery. So you actually need to pay attention to this so you don't end up importing a demo that you are not familiar with its page builder. All right, so you can see different layouts, different designs. Okay, if you are not okay with the color, maybe this now is having more of the navy blue color, you can just go ahead and change the color within the customize option to your preferred color, and the color will change in the entire website. All right, so it's pretty much easy and straightforward. So you can see the designs are amazing. Okay, for any kind of business that you are creating and you want to have that professional looking website, you can see that this demo are looking great. All right, so apart from the demos, if you scroll down to, you are going to see some of the features. You can see beautiful header style, amazing footer. So there are different footer templates that are readily available for you to just choose from. Okay, it works with WooCommerce. Okay, this is a custom heading elements. All right, so right here are just all the features that you can get with this particular theme. Consultix 30 plus demo for you to work with. All right, so let me know what you think about this particular theme in the comment section below. And also let me know what kind of website exactly are you creating. Are you creating a website for a business, for a corporate, for an agency, for a marketing? Is it a travel consultancy, an IT firm? Let me know what kind of website you are looking forward to create in the comment section. So if you are finding value, guys, please give the video a thumbs up. Do make sure you subscribe to the channel also. So next on our list is called Callium 3. Okay, so this is a creative portfolio WordPress theme. So this is actually a trending theme. Okay, it has a lot of sales. You can see almost 50,000 sales as at the time of making this video. We're at the price of $119. So let's go ahead and check out the live preview for this particular theme. Okay, so as you can see here, it works with Elementor Page Builder, works with WP Bakery, support multilingual. Okay, so that means you can create it in English, and then maybe if you have traffic from other regions or countries that are non-English speaking, the website will automatically be translated to their language. All right. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see more features about this particular website. You can see, choose a starter site, install it, and enjoy live editing. Okay. So these are brands that are trusted by it. So these are the templates. I mean, the demo for this particular theme is offering. So for architecture, so if you're into interior design, architecture, or building, you can see that this particular demo comes handy. If you're an into agency, okay. So, and I like the fact that all of this demo is properly labeled. For example, if you're into photography, there's a demo for you. Maybe as a photographer, videographer, an artist, there's a demo for you. If you want to use it for e-commerce, all right. So you can see it's fashion, commerce, clothing, and shop, hotel, all right. So, remember I said it earlier that all of these themes, while it is mentioning consultancy, you can also make use of them for other non-consultancy WordPress website that you want to create. For example, we have a demo for hotel, we have a demo for a wedding, for a bookstore, for travel. Okay, so if you're looking for to create a travel website, an automotive website, a law. So maybe you want to create a law firm now. You can see that there's a demo for you that you can actually work with. Okay. So the demo are much. So once you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of all the demos available. We have the one for medical and freelancer. There's also a dark theme. All right. So all of these is available with by Callium. All right. So talking about features. So if you look at some of the features right here, multilingual, clean code, okay, GDPR, okay. All right, so these are some of the reviews, okay. So you can go ahead and check out Callium 3, comes highly recommendable Callium 3, all right. So next is called Pale Corporate Business WordPress theme. So this comes with 50 demo. So let's go ahead and check out the demo. Like I said, any of the theme that you want to pick, I'll leave a link to them in the description of the video. So go ahead and let's look at the live preview for this theme so that we can check the demos. So you can see now the demos is sorted based on these filters or category: creative, corporate, entertainment, blog, e-commerce. Okay, you can see health, beauty, non-profit, and one page. All right. So you can just sort them out based on that, or you can just check out all of them. So this also has amazing demos. All right, for transport, for company, for business. Okay. For construction, so if you want to create a construction website, there's a demo. A food delivery, there's a demo. If you're an agency, digital agency, there's a demo for you to work with. All right. So construction also has a second demo. So these are some recently added demo. All right. So that's to tell you that the theme is updated regularly. So this is not one of those themes that was created and abandoned. Okay. All right. So you can see a whole lot of, I think that's 52 demos available for you to work with. So if you actually like this theme, you like the demo and all the features, so you want to check out some of the features here, you can actually do so. But trust me, all the features are amazing. All the features that you can get from premium themes are available across all the themes I'm recommending. Okay, so the key difference might just be in the page builder that they are using, the demo that is available to you, and every other thing. Okay, all right. So that is it on Pearl. Okay, you can see almost 9,000 sales as at the time of making this video. Right, so we've looked at Pearls. Now the last one on our list is called Avas. Okay, this is an elemental multi-purpose WordPress theme. So when it is multi-purpose, that means you can use it for basically a whole lot of websites, a whole lot of them. All right, and this is coming for less. That's $27, and it works with Elemental Page Builder. It works with WP Bakery. Okay, and a whole lot of other plugins. You can say RTL. You can use it to create websites that are non-English speaking. Okay. All right, so now let's check out some of the features of these. Starting out with the demos. So you can see 80 pre-built websites. And this is great because for $27, you are getting, okay, it's actually on sales at this price. So you are getting 80 demos that you can actually choose from. So you can see it, agency, artificial intelligence, digital agency. So there's a second version for digital agency, IT solution. Okay, so you can just go through all of these demos and see which one best fits the kind of website you want to create. Like I said, if it's if you're okay with any of them, good. If the colors is not what you want, you can always customize the color. Change the color in the customize option within your WordPress site. All right. So with that, guys, I've gone ahead to share with you the 10 consulting WordPress theme that comes highly recommendable. First, to look at consulting. We also look at Binox, and then we look at Solvio. I almost want to call this Savior. I don't know. Then we look at Advantage. We look at Caution, and then we also looked at this particular theme, Advice Zero. Like I said, it comes with all the images are free. You don't have to worry about copyright image when you choose this particular theme. Then we look at Consultix, we look at Callion 3, we look at Pearl, and then we looked at Alvas. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this theme. Like all the links to all this theme that I've mentioned, you find them in the description of this video. And let me know, what kind of website are you creating? What kind of consultation website? Is it a business? Is it corporate? Is it finance? Is it IT? Is it traveling, marketing? Just let me know in the comment section below. Also, do make sure you check out Hostinja. And don't forget, the link will be in the description so you can take advantage of the 73% discount you're going to be getting on hosting plus your free domain, right? So make sure you don't miss that offer. So guys, I hope you find value in this. Please, if you do, give the video a thumbs up again, and do make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any question for me, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.